Welcome to our overview of solutions for improving indoor LTE signal strength. Presented by itnet.lu, we'll explore key technologies designed to enhance connectivity within modern buildings. This video provides an executive summary of leading solutions for indoor LTE signal improvement. We'll evaluate each option on technical feasibility, cost, maintenance, and suitability for different environments. WAVETHRU is an innovative solution that passively enhances LTE signal penetration through glass surfaces. It requires a simple glass treatment, involves no power or maintenance, and is compatible with all mobile operators and technologies. This makes WAVETHRU highly suitable for modern buildings with glass facades. Signal boosters are active devices that amplify LTE signals indoors. They offer plug-and-play installation, minimal maintenance, and work with multiple operators. Best suited for small to medium-sized buildings, their coverage is limited by the building's size. Distributed antenna systems, or DAS, are enterprise-grade active solutions designed for large buildings and venues. Their installation is complex and requires professional setup as well as carrier agreements. While offering extensive coverage, DAS solutions come with high upfront costs and require regular maintenance. Wi-Fi calling enables voice calls over a Wi-Fi network. It requires device and network setup and depends on carrier support. This solution provides coverage within the Wi-Fi network range and has low energy consumption and no maintenance needs. Let's compare each solution based on their technical requirements, compatibility, installation complexity, maintenance, and cost. This analysis will help identify the most effective option for your specific environment. Different environments demand different solutions. We'll explore use case scenarios to understand how each technology fits within various building types and operational needs. Here's a detailed comparison of available solutions. WAVETHRU stands out as a passive, maintenance-free glass treatment for modern facades. Signal boosters provide moderate coverage with minimal setup. DAS offers high-capacity coverage for large venues, while Wi-Fi calling leverages existing networks for connectivity within Wi-Fi range. Based on our evaluation, WAVETHRU is the most feasible solution for modern buildings with glass facades. For other environments, consider high-boost signal boosters or consulting with DAS providers for larger structures. The WAVETHRU robot demonstrates laser-applied glass treatment, enabling mobile signals to pass through treated windows. This solution is power-free, maintenance-free, and visually unobtrusive. It is compatible with all mobile operators and technologies, offering an aesthetic and practical choice for modern glass buildings. In summary, WAVETHRU offers significant advantages for glass buildings, no power, maintenance, or operator limitations. Next steps include requesting a WAVETHRU audit, exploring high-boost options, or consulting DAS providers to find the best fit for your facility. For more information about improving your indoor LTE connectivity, please reach out to itnet Luxembourg or visit our website at itnet.lu.